Hello everyone, this is Dr. Snita Sinukumar. I'm a surgical oncologist at Jahangir Hospital, Pune. As we all know that we have now currently facing the COVID-19 pandemic, and it has created a havoc not only on our economic lives but also on our social lives. But we know that this pandemic is going to stay with us for some time. Having said that, it is very important for us to understand the importance of all the guidelines that have been so far published regarding social distancing and hand hygiene. So this video is not essentially to emphasize on that, although we have to keep that in mind, but the video is to create awareness on the fact that each of us have to pay importance to our health amidst this global pandemic. So what I understand is that a lot of our patients are neglecting their health, and this pandemic has plagued the minds of citizens of not only our country but of the world. But you have to understand that it is important for you to, as patients, as individuals, not to neglect your health. And not to have this fear of visiting your health professionals and visiting your hospitals and being health aware. There are certain illnesses that are chronic illnesses like hypertension, diabetes, heart diseases, and among that is also cancer. So the fear of COVID-19 infection should not refrain you from seeking medical help, professional help. If you have any signs and symptoms of cancer, any lump in the breast, prolonged breathlessness or coughing, any other GI gastrointestinal ailments, any other problems that merit medical attention, you must seek appropriate help and appropriate consultation without fear of contracting COVID-19 illness. The COVID-19 illness can be very easily prevented or combated by taking the adequate measures like social distancing, wearing a mask, and a proper hand hygiene and sanitization. Any hospital that you are going to visit in the city, especially Jahangir Hospital, is absolutely geared up to address this issue of COVID-19. So we are taking utmost care in seeing our patients, we are maintaining social distancing, we are following all the guidelines and all the mandatory precautions that need to be taken to prevent this illness. Having said that, we are open to screening patients of cancer, we are open to consulting patients of cancer, we are geared to start chemotherapy, radiation, and surgical procedures for patients who have been diagnosed with cancer. So my request to all our patients is to not fear this illness, not neglect their health, and seek adequate attention timely, because cancer treatment will not and should not wait. As the prognosis of cancer is better, the outcome of cancer is better if it is detected early and treated early. And irrespective of the COVID-19 pandemic, we are all geared up here at Jahangir Hospital to treat our patients of cancer adequately and properly. I would like to tell my dear patients that they must not fear visiting hospitals for any symptoms, worrisome symptoms, especially cancer-related symptoms. As soon as they enter hospital, especially in Jahangir Hospital, we are segregating patients who are suspected of having COVID-19 diseases. Even our OPD services, even our OPD consultations for cancer patients are completely separate. Our daycare where we give our patients chemotherapy is completely separate, and our COVID-19 patients have been completely separately kept in other wards. So there is definitely no intermix of patients, non-COVID and COVID patients. So that is one thing that our patients must keep in mind. Secondly, even during the lockdown and during this phase, we are performing cancer-related surgeries, because like I said, there are certain illnesses like diabetes, heart diseases, stroke, and cancer. These are urgent diseases which cannot wait, and cancer, when treated early, the outcome of patients is better. So even during the lockdown and during the COVID-19 pandemic, we are treating patients in Jahangir Hospital with utmost care and precautions. Many of our patients have been successfully operated on. Many of our patients are now taking their chemotherapy and radiation, and they are doing well. So please do not neglect your health. Please do not have fear of visiting your doctor, and please take timely help, timely attention. Investigations are also important because they help us in arriving at a diagnosis and subsequently doing appropriate treatment. Thank you for your kind attention.